Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Harvest Time Tracking Review My Usage Experience. Harvest Time Tracking Review My Usage Experience offers a time tracking solution for freelancers and small businesses. Its main purpose is to help users monitor the time spent on various projects, making invoicing and budgeting easier. Key features seem to include project management, reporting, and potentially team collaboration, based on the name. Their website provides details on pricing and features. Harvest boasts ease of use, transparent pricing with no hidden fees, and a focus on simple, intuitive time tracking. They emphasize integrations with other popular business tools. Availability is worldwide, accessible through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Harvest Time Tracking Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process took less than 5 minutes, and the initial setup guide was clear and concise. I really appreciated the intuitive interface. Navigating between projects and adding time entries was incredibly straightforward. I especially liked the visual representation of my time spent on each project. The graphs and charts made it easy to see where my time was going. The reporting features were also excellent, generating detailed reports for invoicing purposes in just a few clicks. The speed and reliability were consistently good throughout my testing period. I had a quick question about integrating Harvest with my accounting software, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing helpful documentation. A standout feature for me was definitely the mobile app, which allowed me to track time on the go seamlessly. One minor drawback was the limited number of customizable report options, though this is not a major issue. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Harvest. It's a powerful yet user-friendly time tracking tool that significantly improved my workflow and billing accuracy. That's my overview of Harvest Time Tracking Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.